So in the App Store, you're going to want to search Basecamp to download the app. It's going to be the first one that pops up, Basecamp 3 with the yellow logo. So go ahead and download that. Once it's downloaded, open the app, and you're going to be prompted to log in. You're going to use your Arnold Oil Company login. So enter your email address. The password should have already been set up through your email with Basecamp. If you didn't receive that email, give me a call or email me at dmojica@arnoldoil.com so we can set you up. So this is what the home base looks like. So you're going to click on sales, and this is where all your information is going to live. So all the information that was on Basecamp is going to be under docs and files. It's color-coded. It doesn't mean anything. It's just to visually break up all the folders and makes it easier for you to see. So let's go ahead and click on Forms and Credit Applications. So here you can see all the files that were in Dropbox. It's just a different layout. So if we click on Credit App, through this application on Basecamp, you'll be able to make notes, comments, and send it directly to customers. So if you click on the three dots in the corner, you can see this menu bar that pulls up. You can click on Get a Public Link if you want to send this directly to a customer. So if you click on this, Share Public Link, and if you want to text or email it, either way, but Basecamp will create a link for you to send this to the customer. The customer doesn't have to have Basecamp to access this information. So you would just put their email, subject line, whatever you want to put in the body in the email, and the customer will now have access to that specific file only. If you want to go back and forth between pages, all you have to do is hit that top left arrow in the corner, and that will make you go back and forth. If you want to see all the latest activity and things that have just been uploaded, you can scroll up and down and it'll show all the new files or promotions that we're running. I highly suggest you click throughout the app and familiarize yourself with everything that Basecamp has to offer. It's a really great tool. If you have any questions about Basecamp, please email marketing@arnoldoil.com or give me a call at my extension 850-748.